Hey friends, if you wish to fix the ERR connection refused error in Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, irrespective of what is said on other channels and websites, my opinion is a little different for this category of errors because they would say that try browser level troubleshooting. I say, for the sake of isolating the cause, try opening the website on a different browser. But in 90% of the cases, that is not the root cause of the issue. The root cause of the issue is that the website is down, and for that purpose, check the status of that website. For example, let's say that you got it for the Roblox website. So check for Roblox server status and check it on a down detector website or any other such website, and also on its official website, so that we get two affirmations. Check what it says for Roblox and check what it says on down detector. If the server status shows good enough, then you will still have to wait for a while, but most probably you will notice that the server is down. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.